Good morning, children. So, again welcome back after the exams. So, children, today we are going to start your next term, and in this term we are having two chapters. Number one is measurement. That is lesson number 9. So, we will start this chapter today, measurement. Beta, basically, what is measurement? Can you tell me? Yes, measurement means measuring something. For example, this is a boat. I need to measure the length of this boat. Right? Sometimes when you fall sick, your parents took up the thermometer. They measure your temperature. Sometimes you measure the time, like 1 hour for your study. Even when your exams are conducting, they are of 1 hour 30 minutes, and you measure this time with the clock. When you go to vegetable seller or fruit seller, you buy fruits and vegetables after measuring their weight. So, we need to measure so many things in our daily life. Okay, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about measuring of length. What is length? Length is basically the distance of 2 points. For example, distance from this point to the end point of the boat. Length. Length is the distance between 2 points. Children, when you are measuring your height, it means you are measuring a length. When you are sitting with your partner, then both of you divide the length of the benches. You often try to measure the length of your classroom, that this room is bigger or that room is bigger. It means length may be the distance between 2 points. Okay. For example, this is a boat and we need to measure its length. How can we measure it? We can measure it with the help of a scale. Also, this is a pencil. What is its length? This can be measured with the help of the scale. Okay. The distance between the school to your house. This is also known as length. Now, let us discuss about the measurement of length. How can we measure length? To measure length, earlier we use few body parts like hand. The distance between thumb to the finger. This is called as hand span. We can measure this distance with the help of our hand. Also with the help of our foot. This is called as foot span. Also, if the distance is somewhat longer, we can use the distance of hand to our elbow. This is known as cubit. And even if you have to measure the distance of your school corridor, then definitely you will use the pace. You will measure it with your footsteps. Children, these are the units that are used by our body parts. But now, these days, they are not used. They are non-standard units of measurement of length. Why non-standard? Suppose if I am measuring the length of a board with my hand, it maybe comes out to be 4 hand span. Will it be same when you measure it? No, it will not. It may come 5 hand spans or 6 hand spans. Why? Because the size of body parts of different people is different. My hand span is bigger than your hand span. So these units are not accurate. So what is the accurate unit? That is the standard unit. So what is the standard unit of length? It is meter. Including meter, there are other units of length. They are millimeters, centimeter and kilometers. Now what will you use if you have to measure the length of your color or the length of your pencil? Definitely you will use your scale. And this is a measuring tape. This is normally used to measure the length of a floor, to measure the length of a room. Also, we use meter rod to measure the length of a cloth. You will often see it in the cloth shop, and the shopkeeper is measuring the length of the cloth. So what is length? Let us summarize. Length measures how long an object is, or what is the distance between the 2 points. What are the various units of length? Obviously, they are meter, millimeter, centimeter and kilometer. However, the main standard unit of length is meter. There is a relationship between all these units. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. And what are the things used to measure length? Yes, it is meter rod, measuring tape, scale and ruler. Children, I hope that's all for today. We will continue it in our next lecture.